Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram filters not working. So if your Instagram filters are also not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So there might be various reasons for which your Instagram filters are not working. One of the reasons might be because of your unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. If you're not connected to a stable network, your Instagram filters might not work. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. If you're connected to a stable network but still you're facing this problem, that means this problem is because of the cache of your application. So in that case, what you have to do is clear the cache. So simply go to the app library of your device. Now over here, what you have to do is find the application for Instagram. Once you find it, long press on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the application for app info. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the app info interface of Instagram. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for stories and cache. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the stories interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache. Now after that, the cache of your application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, it might be because your application is not up to date. In that case, what you have to do is update the application. For that, simply open Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for Instagram. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for Instagram. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the button for update, all you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. But if your Instagram filters are still not working, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install that application again. After that, your problem will be fixed and your Instagram filters will start working. So that is how you fix Instagram filters not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.